One of my favorite features that we launched this year was version history. We just launched it, and it allows you to restore previous versions and never lose your work again. And Nelly likes it too.
My favorite feature is that your subscribers can now pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, Affirm, Link on your product pages.
My favorite feature in Kit this year is collaborative editing.
So some of my favorite things that we shipped this year are within the Creator Network and the recommendations tool inside of Kit. So all those updates and all those improvements allow you to find other fast-growing creators, find better matches within your niche, and ultimately grow your list on autopilot.
My favorite new feature is A/B content testing for broadcast, because now I can run tons of experiments on Kit's own newsletter.
One of my favorite Kit features is the Fourth Wall app. That connects our podcast merch shop and our memberships with our newsletter. So whenever somebody buys something from there or becomes a member, then their email address gets synced with our newsletter, and that allows us to stay connected with them.
My favorite feature for 2025 is our automations plugin environments for our apps, because it really opens up what apps can do, and it really makes me excited for what we can deliver next year.
My favorite new feature is folders. Finally, I can organize my tags and segments. Yay!
2 words: tag management. Being able to bulk delete tags and being able to put them in folders, perfect. What do you think, Jake?
My favorite feature that we've launched this year is the Typeform app, because it directly integrates with Kit's automations. You can create quiz funnels, lead scoring automations, and pull all of that surveyed subscriber data from Typeform directly into Kit automatically.
My favorite feature that we launched this year is location filtering within our Creator Network. If you opt in, you can share your city, find other creators near you or in any city in the world, and it makes collaboration in real life meetups and connections so much easier.
I'm excited about the Shopify and Calendly apps.
I'm excited about the updates we made to our API, specifically around the broadcast stats for subscribers.
This year, I've become a GIF connoisseur because of the Giphy Kit app inside of the Kit App Store. You just have access to millions of GIFs, and I cannot tell you how many millions of GIFs of dogs I put into newsletters this year because of it.
One of my favorite features we launched this year was part of recommendations, and it's this new feed that is in the dashboard that every time you log in, you can see people who we suggest you might like to recommend. So it pulls people who are subscribed to your content, maybe people whose content you subscribe to, or also people who are already recommending you.
This year at our company retreat, a group of us got together and really focused in on how can we make the commerce experience better for creators for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Coming out of this, we were able to launch 5 new features, including making it easier to duplicate a product, customizing the fulfillment for digital goods, as well as more flexibility for coupons.
My favorite feature we launched this year has got to be attribution in forms. Knowing where your subscribers are coming from is really important.
One of my favorite features is collaborative editing, because teams don't have to go through the process of writing their newsletter together in a Google Doc, copy pasting into Kit, and having to reformat. They can work together in real time right inside of the app.